Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm at the Arts District with my friend Andrea.
Hi.
And we want to show you around some cool spots where you can take some awesome pictures for your social media. Let's go. One thing about photography, street photography, is that you always have to be on the lookout for places. Like for example, nice trees. I'll be posting a picture of Andrea that we took here. I think it was a nice picture. Anyway, so we're gonna walk down I think it's Santa Fe. We're just gonna show you around, and hopefully we see some nice places, take some nice pictures. It's all about the adventure. Let's go. We just found a cool spot out here, and I think we can get some nice pictures. I like the leading lines. Let's see what we can get. All right, rule number one of street photography: be patient, because there's always gonna be people around.
Oh, I thought you were afraid to me.
Also, rule number two: be courteous to your models.
They're not courteous to me.
Let's go. Really nice colors and textures. Alright, so let's keep moving. Sun's going down. Hopefully we're here for golden hour. When you're on the move, especially doing street photography, always be mindful of the sun or light, where the light is, where the shadows are. Make sure you're fixing your settings as you're moving. Adjust your ISO, your shutter speed, like now. It may not seem like it, but we walked several blocks, and I think we got some good pictures for you guys. What I would recommend is just come here, walk around. There's tons of buildings, there's tons of art galleries, and just art all around, and just absorb it when you're here. All right, you all right? You doing okay?
No.
She's wearing heels, guys. I'm wearing boots, and it's not too bad for me, but I know she's in pain. But she's a trooper, right? You're a trooper.
No.
Anyway, let's keep walking, see what else we find. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you go out and just walk around your neighborhood. Just walk around anywhere in LA, and I'm sure you'll get some awesome pictures. I hope this was helpful. If it was, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, give me some comments down below if you want to see more of this content. I want to thank Andrea for helping me today, and cut.